We are going to share our own experience of using this app. Is it really good? Let's get started.
I've been using Notion for about 6 months now for team collaboration, and here's my honest experience. Overall, Notion is an extremely flexible workspace tool that combines notes, databases, task management, and documentation all in one place. It's designed to replace multiple tools, and in many cases, it actually does a good job of that. The biggest advantage for me is customization. You can build your own workspace exactly how you want it, whether that's a project management system, content calendar, knowledge base, or CRM style setup. For teams, that flexibility is powerful because you're not locked into a rigid structure. Another thing I really liked is real time collaboration. Multiple team members can edit pages, leave comments, and update tasks simultaneously. It makes communication and project tracking much smoother, especially for remote teams. The database feature is also very useful. You can create linked views, filters, and dashboards that help organize complex projects in a visual and structured way. But there are some downsides. The biggest one is the learning curve. Notion is not difficult to use, but building effective systems takes time and planning. If you don't structure it properly, it can quickly become messy. Another thing to consider is performance. When you start building large workspaces with many pages and databases, it can sometimes feel slower or less responsive. I also noticed that while it's very flexible, it doesn't have deep built-in project management features compared to dedicated tools, so you often need to build those systems yourself. After using Notion for 6 months, my biggest takeaway is that it's one of the most powerful all-in-one collaboration tools when used correctly. Overall, I think Notion is an excellent choice for teams that want flexibility and full control over their workflow. But it requires effort to set up properly and may not be ideal if you want a ready-made system.